Hey drone nerds, Matt here. I'm here at the booth with Brad from Aloft. How are you today?
Doing great. Excited to be here.
Where are we and what are we doing?
At Drone Nerds Elevate, having a great time. Seeing some drones fly down the hallway here. You know, going outside to catch a Raptor demo here in just a sec.
And what made Aloft want to come to the EUAV Summit?
Saw the traction you guys had last year. We work with a lot of the hardware vendors, certainly a partner of Drone Nerds. We're drone agnostic, so we support all these drone models integrated into our platform. Out here to meet your customers, our joint customers as well.
Mingle with the people.
See what the latest and greatest is.
Speaking of which, since the last time I talked to you, what's some stuff you've been working on? What do you have in the works for the future? Give me the lowdown.
Lots of good stuff. So I kind of break it down into a couple components of fleet management, airspace management. So fleet management, we're rounding out that portfolio. People know us for our lands, but we do so much more. Live streaming, live telemetry. We've got some scheduled maintenance being released now too. Files, documents, upgrades, leveling up our both our Android and iOS mobile apps. And then just a lot of stuff on the web dashboard as well. So getting a lot of traction around how well our live streaming is doing, live telemetry, common operating picture, which is where we get into airspace. Airspace is going to be a big push for us as we get into BVLOS and docs and things like that for next year. So how do we enable folks to see not only where their team is flying, but who's flying around them? How do we integrate with traditional aircraft?
And what's some of the cool things you've seen at the show so far?
I do like to do a fist bump with the robot dog coming around here, but no, just the different aircraft. We were just over talking to Parrot. Anzu's right here. We got our friends at Drone to Fly over here. Everybody's got something new. Everybody's showing something. I do want to get out and see some of the demos. There's some good flying going out there too.
And you just mentioned Anzu, one of our partners as well. Well, you guys have done a lot of integration here in the last couple of years. Is there anything developing there as far as more features or anything like that?
There will be. Yeah, we'll do more on the automated mapping and mission planning stuff. So more to come there. We certainly, when we launched, we wanted to get something out there, get something in people's hands. We got a lot of feedback. I think we implemented a lot of that already. So we've been through a few updates already. So we've got, and had really good feedback on the thermal, the mapping, all those features so far, waypoint missions, etc. More to come. But we'll see what our customers drive our roadmap. So the more feedback we get, the more people saying, hey, next best thing would be this. That's where we're at.
And I would say, talking about that, getting the customer feedback, you guys really focus on, what the customers need, what the customers want. And I've seen other situations where people start asking for it and shortly down the road, it's a feature or it's that, how fast does all that move?
It's a great question. And so we've been doing this for 5-10 years now. Enterprise solutions, we're in every vertical, utilities to first responders, news, insurance, DOTs, government, right? I meet with all of our largest enterprises. Those are the ones that are pushing the envelope. We hear that feedback and we look, what's the next thing that's going to bring the most bang for the buck for the most, for the community at large, right? So that feedback is really what drives us. We run lean and we turn things around quick. We want to get things out there. Our customers aren't waiting. Let's get there and get it to them. Thanks for the time. It was good stuff.
Yeah, thanks for your time.
All right.
Appreciate it.